Uh-huh.
Well, can't remember the last time I could wear horizontal stripes, huh? But, you know, here we go again. And how about you, Woman of the Hour? Congratulations on the promotion.
Oh, thank you.
Awesome. Was Daryl so excited or what?
No. Actually, he was disappointed.
Baby, up.
He thought I was going to tell him I was pregnant.
Okay. Right. Little Miss Corporate Climber over here, pregnant?
You guys, I want to have a baby at some point.
Maybe you could schedule one between a conference call and a client meeting.
Okay, you know, Daryl is the one that I'm really worried about.
Oh, really?
Yeah, are you kidding me? You're lucky he wants one at all. I had to promise Greg I'd give him these. Okay, now. Okay, easy, fella. Ooh, this one's real grabby.
Nervy.
Oh, he must have been breastfed. Is the baby hungry? Oh, he should be nursed.
Hey, like nervy.
Are you sure you should do that?
Oh, you don't have to be the birth mother to breastfeed.
Nope. Nervy.
Oh, you want a nursey? Okay.
All right.
Oh, drink up, precious.
Ooh, this one's real wriggly, huh? Come on.
Come on now.
Suck it. What? Ow! Whoa! Oh, that is not okay.
All right, let's get these kids home. I have to take Nicholas and Chrissy to Mommy and me in the morning.
Oh, have fun.
Don't worry about the nose. He's
Thanks for all the stuff.
Bye. Good night. Hey, honestly, if you change your mind about Consuela, you can take her for the weekend.
Oh, thanks.
I've got like all the chores. One for you, and one for the baby. Wow. He's a little charmer, isn't he? I could have sworn he just stuck his tongue in my mouth.
Letting him stay with us this weekend.
Thank you. But you know, still can't wait for us to have one of our own.
Yes, I know.
Right. You want to know the nice thing about you not being pregnant?
What?
We get to keep trying. But, honey, what about the baby?
He's asleep. Don't worry about him.
But, honey, he's watching.
He's too young to know what's going on. Forget him.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Good morning.
More like great morning.
Oh, looks like someone had a really good night's sleep last night.
Who could sleep? You were an animal last night.
Oh, well, you know.
I don't remember the last time we did it twice in one night.
Twice? Hey, when did he get into bed?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know how he gets out of that crib. Such a crafty little fella. You want some breakfast?
Twice.